Good morning. Today it's Monday 31st of January. So today's my last day in the fitness in Wapenveld and I'm excited, but it's also a bit nerve-wracking, I guess, because it's the last day. It's going quite fast because after this it's only 2 more weeks and then I'm off to South Africa. So yeah, we'll see what today will bring. I'll take you along. Hello, today is Tuesday, the 1st of February, and I'm gonna start packing my suitcases. I think you've seen all my hoodies by now, so I'm gonna take you along and I'm gonna put a time wrap on and then you can see me packing my suitcase. So after a full day of cleaning, I decided to get some tacos. I'm excited. I'm hungry. That looks amazing, doesn't it? Ooh. Yeah, they weren't special, so I thought, why not? I would highly recommend. Honestly, I've been feeling super stressed today, so I just decided to go.